I even went back to add stairs using Muzata rails. My dad is always around, making sure I get these things right. Love you, Dad. Muzata offers free, personalized solutions to seamlessly match your home renovation design with their cable railing system. The railing took a few days to install since I did it solo, and our deck is pretty large, but the instructions were simple enough. Honestly, anyone can build this. And the second day, it was so cold outside. Their experts take care of the planning, designing, and budgeting, all at no extra cost. So I finished the first side. It was a little bit of work, making sure that the cables are tight and also making sure that the wire is cut at the appropriate length in order to get the tension on it. Now it's time to complete the long side and the back side. And listen, I'll save you some money. If you're thinking about getting some Muzata rails, I'm gonna hook you up. Click on a link in my description box and it will take a percentage off your next order. How about that? And we're finished.